Hey everyone, I'm Ike, Product Manager for PPL. I'm here to walk you through the new PPL Campaign Builder, so let's get started. From your vendor portal, just open up PPL Campaigns and click Create Campaign. First, we're going to name your campaign and select a budget. I'd go with unlimited to stay matched to every qualified buyer throughout the month. Next, name your target and select the product you want to receive leads for. Then choose your recommended market. These recommendations are backed by the trailing 3 months of market data. Your applications here come pre-selected, so just uncheck anything you truly do not offer. And for each one, let us know how you offer it, whether it's on its own, in a suite, or through a partner. Now pick a smart template. Each one's built from that same trailing 3-month market data, so it's fine-tuned to your software market. No manual setup needed. Best value is a recommended starting point. Give everything a quick review, and remember you can always adjust any of this after you go live. Add your billing, accept the agreement checkboxes, and then you'll be able to click Create Campaign to go live. Our team of software advisors will start matching your product to buyers right away. And that's all that it takes. The Campaign Builder is going to put you in control. So go ahead and get building.